What is denosumab's mode of action? Denosumab is a monoclonal antibody that targets a protein called RANKL, receptor activator of nuclear factor kappa B ligand, which plays a key role in the development and maintenance of bone. RANKL is a protein that is involved in the process of bone remodeling, which is the continuous process of bone formation and bone resorption that occurs throughout life. RANKL is found on the surface of cells called osteoclasts, which are responsible for breaking down bone. Denosumab works by binding to RANKL and preventing it from interacting with its receptor, thereby blocking the formation and activity of osteoclasts and slowing down the process of bone resorption. This leads to an increase in bone density and reduces the risk of fractures. Denosumab is approved by the US FDA for the treatment of osteoporosis in postmenopausal women and men at high risk of fractures and for the treatment of bone loss as a result of hormonal ablation therapy in men with prostate cancer. It is administered as a subcutaneous injection, usually every 6 months. It is worth noting that denosumab has been associated with some serious side effects, such as osteonecrosis of the jaw (ONJ) and atypical femoral fractures. Therefore, regular dental checkups and monitoring of the patient's medical history are important while taking this medication.